Hey everyone, are your message requests not loading in Facebook Messenger app? If you tap message requests and it keeps spinning or nothing shows up, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step process to fix the issue and get your message requests working again. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Open a browser or another app to confirm your internet is working. Now go back to Messenger and try loading message requests again. Step 2. Close and reopen Messenger. Close the Messenger app completely. Remove it from recent apps or background processes. Wait a few seconds and reopen the app. Try accessing message requests again. Step 3. Update the Messenger app. Open the Google Play Store. Search for Messenger. If you see an update button, tap it. Outdated versions often have bugs that can cause this issue. Step 4. Clear Messenger cache. Open your phone's settings. Scroll to Apps and tap Messenger. Tap on Storage and Cache. Then tap Clear Cache. Go back and open Messenger. Check if it's working now. Step 5. Log out and log back in. Open the Facebook app. Tap the menu. Then scroll down and log out of your account. Log back in again. Open Messenger and try loading message requests. And that's it. If your message requests weren't loading, one of these steps should have solved the problem. Let me know in the comments which method worked for you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more helpful Messenger and tech fix videos. Thanks for watching.